Before you can use a foundational model from Amazon Bedrock, you need to request access for it. In this video, you will learn both how to request access for a model, as well as how to remove access for a model that you no longer need. First, open Amazon Bedrock console. Click Get Started. Click Model Access. This panel shows models which I have access to in this region. Click Manage Model Access. Amazon recently released a model called Titan Image Generator G1 that I would like to try sometime. Let me choose it so I can try it out later. While I am on Model Access Management screen, let me also remove access for a model I don't need access for anymore. Earlier this week, I played with Llama 2, a 13 billion parameter model from Meta. It's a pretty cool model, but I don't need access for it anymore, so let me deselect this checkbox to remove my access. Click Save Changes. Since we are removing access, we get this pop-up in which we have to provide a confirmation. Let's type remove. Let's click Remove Access button. Note that both our requests went through. We can see that we have removed access to Meta model, and we now have access to Amazon Titan Image Generation model. Congratulations! You just learned how to get access to a foundational model. Now you can try the model via Playground. Thanks for watching. Check out AWS certification books, linked in pinned comment, and suggest us topics for videos.